Aisha Saqib and I'm a consultant endocrinologist in central London. I fully support Imran Khan and I sincerely request the Chief Justice of Pakistan to take immediate action and start the process of free and fair elections.
My name is Dr. Humayun Khan. I work as specialty doctor in diabetes and endocrinology in Oxford University Hospital. I strongly support Imran Khan in his quest for true democracy in Pakistan, and I strongly condemn the current fascist PDM government in its cruel atrocities towards the citizens of Pakistan.
Hi, I'm Dr. Fuad Hamid, a UK-trained geriatrician working in Australia currently. I strongly condemn the atrocities on PTI workers by Shahbaz Sharif government and fully support the true efforts of Imran Khan and our Chief Justice towards restoration of true democracy.
I'm Nida, a consultant geriatrician in Reading, UK. I fully support Imran Khan's Hakiki Azadi movement to liberate Pakistan from the corrupt elite capture. Khan Sab's life is an open book for us for the past 50 years, the only leader who has remained resolute in his struggle to protect basic human rights of Pakistanis.
Assalamu alaikum. My name is Dr. Khan. I'm a consultant rheumatologist working in NHS in UK. I support Imran Khan in his struggle for our country, and I also support the current Chief Justice of Supreme Court of Pakistan and his co-judges who are the righteous judges and who are standing against all odds to defend our constitution. Thank you.
I am Dr. Mehreen Chaudhry. I'm a GP in London. I wholeheartedly support Imran Khan for his efforts for democracy and fair and free elections in Pakistan. I also strongly condemn this fascist imported regime in the country.
My name is Dr. Maha Khwaja and I am a doctor in geriatric medicine in Reading, United Kingdom. I fully support Imran Khan in his Hakiki Azadi movement, and I urge the Supreme Court of Pakistan to ensure that our fundamental right to vote is preserved under this fascist government.
Assalamu alaikum. My name is Dr. Kushila Khalid and I am a neurogeriatric consultant based in Maidenhead, England. I strongly support Imran Khan for his unwavering dedication to establish a patriotic, democratic and unified nation of Pakistan. And conversely, I cannot help but strongly condemn actions of PDM for their attempts to sow violence and instability through their barbaric behavior by creating an inhuman environment for the Pakistani citizen. And I therefore request Chief Justice to conduct free and fair elections within the country to maintain the integrity and peace of Pakistani nation. We stand with Imran Khan.